Hi guys, this book is all about how to turn in your book tutorials. So let's get started by going to Canvas. And I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so you can see it better. Okay, and you can see this is our main Canvas homepage. And let's begin by going to Week at a Glance. And you can see here is our daily assignments. And as of Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're hopefully getting finished with that lesson 1. And I have connected, you can see the underline, that means each of these are links. Okay? And what they are links to is where you should be uploading your finished project. I'm going to go back for just a minute. And you're hopefully, since you're finished with your project, you know that the only way that you can actually reach your lesson is by clicking on your book tutorial link here. So let's go back. But before we go back, I'm going to change the view so you can actually see my course as if you were a student. So let's look at it as a student view. Okay, so back to our Week at a Glance. And we'll go to your lesson 1, getting to know the work area. And you can click on any one of the links. Well, this is lesson 2, but here's 1, so we're ready to turn this in. I'm going to click on it. And we'll begin by reading the instructions. It says, upload your lesson 1 Photoshop file. Please make sure to retitle the file as your first and last name. Example, I put my first and last name, lesson 1. So hit submit assignment, and down here is your option for uploading your file. Upload a file or choose a file you've already uploaded. So we're going to go to choose a file, and it'll take you to your drive stream. These are where all of your drives are. Some of you have loaded your Google Drive. Some of you have different drives on your laptop and you were not able to load that Google Drive. But go to wherever you have your book assignment saved. I'm going to go to my H drive. And then I told you guys that you need to create a folder for your book assignments. So now I'm going to go to my book assignments under Computer Graphics. And then here's my book tutorials. And then here is the file that I need to upload. The first thing before I upload it, I'm going to right click on this and hit rename. Because remember, you need to rename it. So let's rename it your first and last name. And then what else did I say? I said lesson 1. Okay, so then I hit open. Maybe I need to click on it again. I'm going to click it and hit open. And you can see that it's loaded right here. I'm going to hit submit assignment. If there's something you want to tell me, write it here. I'm going to hit submit assignment. And then you'll get a party. You have submitted your assignment. I'm going to show you an additional way to submit your assignment. So first thing you're going to do, if you're saving all of your work on your Google Drive and you have not saved it on your file stream, you were not able to save it on here, what to do if you're saving all of your work on your Google Drive and your Google Drive is not showing here. What you're going to do is first you're going to open your Google Drive. Let me make this a little bit bigger so you can see it better. And I'm going to go to where I have my file saved. And I don't have this particular file on something, so I'm going to just go here. I'm going to go to my Photoshop book lessons, and let's see, your Photoshop book lesson should be in here somewhere. So we'll pretend that this is the Photoshop book lesson. This is just for pretend because I want to show you how to do this. Let's right click on this, and then we're going to rename it. Remember, you need to rename it your first and last name. Do not mess with this extension. Leave the PSD extension alone. So I'm going to rename it my first and last name, Lesson 1, and then hit OK. So this has been renamed. Now you're going to click on this file, and we're going to download it. We have to download it first. Okay, so it's hopefully gone to our downloads at this point, and I know it has because I saw the little blue arrow at the bottom of the screen right here. So now what we need to do is go back over here. I'm going to hit resubmit, and I'm going to show you how to continue showing you how to get that uploaded from your Google Drive. So now we're going to do choose file, and we're pretending that your Google Drive is not here. So since it's not there, you're going to need to go to your downloads, which will be here. So click on your downloads. This is the file that I just downloaded from my Google Drive. You're going to click on it, hit open, and then it should be here now. You're going to hit submit assignment, and then it's there. Okay, so I've shown you 2 ways to upload your tutorial, your lesson 1 tutorial. I've shown you how to upload it from your file stream. Your file stream looks like this right here. I've shown you how to upload it from your file stream. And then I've also shown you how to get a file from your Google Drive onto your assignments. And that's it for now.